It started as just another Friday night until a mysterious woman began lurking through backyards, peering into windows, and sending an entire neighborhood into a panic. When officers arrived, she ran, but she couldn't get very far. What happened next? Well, let's just say this was no ordinary arrest. On a quiet evening, residents spotted an unfamiliar woman trespassing on private properties. She wasn't just walking around, she was peeking through windows as if searching for something or someone. Concerned neighbors quickly called the police, but as soon as officers arrived, the woman bolted into the darkness.
Well, just come over here.
My name's Selena. I don't know you. I would not like to approach you.
Just come here.
My name is Selena.
Well, what are you doing over here?
My name's Selena, man.
Okay, well, come over here so I can see you in the light.
I don't know you.
I can't see that far.
You're scaring me.
Chloe.
231 close that. Show me 97 on that McKay call.
She's right there where I'm shining my light. Hello. Yep. And she's running westbound on McKay, 900 block. Southbound now.
Southbound on what road? She must have went in one of those houses. I don't see her anymore.
She's got a backpack on, jeans, tank top.
Careful.
You seen a chick running around? Jeans? No? No, because when she turned out,
White tank top.
she got a tank top on.
Oh, she's right there at the corner of McKay and Mesa. It's the 41, right?
Yeah. There she is, right there.
Please stop. Hey, be careful with my hands. You're scaring me.
You've been harassing
You're scaring
people
me.
all day.
No, I don't know what you're talking about.
You're going to be arrested
My
for
name's
public
Selena.
nuisance.
My name's Selena, though.
It turned out this wasn't her first encounter with the law. The officers immediately recognized her, and when they asked for her name, "My name is Selena," she repeated over and over. But something was off. The officers had reason to believe she wasn't telling the truth.
Selena.
Copy 1015 at 2019.
My name's Selena. I don't know who you are. I haven't done anything today.
You've been harassing people all day.
I don't know what you're talking about. You have no idea what you're talking about. My name is Selena. My name is Selena. Campania. Can you please stop? I don't know who you guys are. You guys are scaring me. Please. I don't know why you guys would call the cops on me. Be careful.
You're just taking off your backpack. That's
My
all.
name is Selena Campania.
And you're going to get another charge of concealing identity.
What? My name's Selena, though.
Giving us a fake name.
But the police believed her real name was Chloe, and she had been giving them a fake identity.
My name is Selena.
I'm showing two others besides this one.
I don't. That's my
Go ahead
sister.
and add him to
I have
the
a
call,
sister
and
named
then
Chloe,
the
but
earlier
I have a
call
sister
with
named
Medina.
Chloe. But I'm Selena.
10
My sister's name-
Medina, Airport 2.
I'm Selena. My sister is named Chloe. I'm Selena. I don't know why this woman knows my name. I don't know her. She doesn't know my name. She would call me by. I don't know why she would call me by my sister's name. My sister looks just like me. We are twins. Okay. She looks just like me. We are twins. She looks just like me. Okay, okay, I'm just walking around.
Why you got a disc on your...
Well, I don't know.
Can someone take her CD
I just
disc?
found it in the trash can. Relax.
Okay, you want to check her?
Like,
So
dang,
before
my
we
name
take
is
her...
Selena.
Alright, let me hear it.
I don't know who Chloe is. I don't know who Chloe is.
Okay, we're
So
going
why
to...
are you arresting me?
Can I talk?
My name is Selena. I don't know who Chloe is.
Can I talk?
Well,
Yes or no?
Can I talk?
No, yes or no?
My name is Selena.
You are not the famous singer, Selena.
Yes, I am. Yes,
Yeah.
What are you talking about? What are you guys talking about?
Hey, listen, so the Knights of Columbus, the bingo spot where you got food earlier?
Yeah.
You can't go back there. They're trespassing you, okay? So.
Well, okay, that's fine. I was just there. I just asked for a cigarette, and she was totally cool about it.
All right, just
she
listen.
said, "Don't come back
It's
here."
effective 1
But
year
I was like,
from
okay,
the
yes,
date
ma'am.
of
But it was
issuance, which is
cordial,
today, okay?
you know,
So
it was
if
nice.
you go back there, Chloe, you're going to be arrested for trespassing.
Okay,
all right?
I won't go back there.
All right, you're being trespassed. I'm letting you know now. So don't go back there.
Okay, yes, sir, I won't. I
Thank you.
promise.
Appreciate it.
Okay, can I be let go?
No.
No, let's go with this officer.
Wait, what? What do you mean?
Let's go with this officer.
Why not? I thought it was my choice.
Come on. No, it's
Oh
not
my
your choice.
gosh.
It's not your
Wait.
choice. Come on.
Oh,
Let's go. Let's go. We already told you
be
once.
careful. You guys need to be careful. You're hurting me.
No, we're not hurting you, Chloe.
Please, someone don't. I didn't do anything. My name's
Yeah,
Selena.
for your
Stop.
feet.
My name's
For your
Selena.
feet.
Stop.
You're under arrest.
No, my name is Selena. Please stop.
Selena.
This is scaring me.
Stop.
Guys, you're scaring me.
Stop moving.
My name's Selena. Stop.
Selena, you're under
Okay, my name is Selena though.
Okay,
Stop calling me Chloe. That's my sister.
Okay, relax.
I've been looking everywhere for her.
Okay, relax.
Leave us alone.
Why are you yelling?
Because I want my sister.
Relax, calm
I've been
down.
looking for her. I don't know
Calm
where she's
down.
at.
Have a seat.
Can you tell me where Chloe's at?
I'll tell you
before?
exactly as soon as you sit down. I'll tell you exactly where she's at.
Where's
Swing your feet
Chloe
in.
at, though? Where
Swing
is
your
she?
feet
though?
in.
Grab it from the other side.
Where's Chloe at? Though?
Swing your legs in.
Where's Chloe
I'll
at?
tell you where
though?
she's at here in a little bit. Swing your leg in.
Where's Chloe at? Though? Ow! Ow!
The officers were skeptical, but the real shocker came when they searched her backpack. Inside, illegal substances, let's just say, a certain fence saw the River Nile and cracked a big smile.
You understand? I'm Selena. I have no reason to be arrested.
Run. She's pretty fast.
Yeah. That's why I was like, you're right there. I'm like, she's running. I wasn't gonna run.
Just remember that when you're gone.
What's the address for this call? What's the address for this call?
Took off from you, huh?
Took off on me.
Oh my god.
05
You're like, oh, start running, and I was like, oh shit, I'm right here. I thought it was a dude.
Were you able to at least talk to her or anything?
She just kept telling me she's Selena, and she didn't know who I was, and I kept trying to ask her, come to me so I can verify.
You're a piece of
05 West McKay.
Just remember that, okay? You guys realize that, right? This is your fault. Because look at what you're doing.
Can I get a report number?
So, was she really Selena? Or was Chloe just desperate to escape her past? One thing's for sure. The police had heard every excuse in the book, and on that Friday night, none of them worked. And that's the story of the woman who tried to outrun her identity. But what do you think? Was she really confused or just playing a game with the cops? Let us know in the comments.